Hi guys, it's Cheyenne with Soft Crochet Times, and today we're going to be going over how to do a single crochet mesh. And this is a little swatch that I've worked out, and you can see that there's little holes in it, but it's still a pretty solid piece. So it's good for, you know, a lot of different things. You can do it with hats, you could do it with market bags, you could do it with scarves, and it really just looks pretty intricate compared to your regular single crochet, but it's super easy to do. So for this, I just have worsted weight yarn, and then I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook. You could use whichever hook and yarn fits your pattern, but with that being said, let's get started. So to start off, you're going to go ahead and do your slip knot. So just wrap a loop around your finger, take the yarn that's still attached to the skein, push a little loop through, and then you're going to pull your tail. There you go. Go ahead and put it on your hook, and then to start this we're going to go ahead and we're going to chain in odd number. So for my swatch I'm just going to do 15 just to show you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so I have that all chained up. So now we're just going to single crochet into the third chain from your hook. This loop on the hook does not count as a chain. It's just these ones that are actually making up this string that you've worked. So 1, 2, 3. We're just going to single crochet. And then we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip one of these chains and we're going to work into the next one. And we're going to do another single crochet. And then we're going to chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet, and you're just going to continue that along. So chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet. Go ahead and do that till you reach the end of your piece, and then I'll show you how to work on row 2. So I finished my first row. So I'm just going to go ahead and chain 1 and turn my piece. So then you're going to go ahead and you're going to single crochet into the first single crochet of the last row. And then we're really just repeating the same process. So you're going to chain 1, single crochet into the next single crochet of the last row, chain 1, single crochet into the same single crochet from the last row, chain 1, single crochet, and then you're just going to go ahead and keep doing that all the way across. So chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and just keep going until you get to the end. Alright. So there's how it looks so far. And for row 3, you're just repeating the same thing. So you're going to chain 1, single crochet into that first stitch, chain 1, single crochet, and you're just going to keep going like this until your piece is as large as you want it. Alright, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this row for you guys. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Alright, so with that, you have now learned how to do the single crochet mesh. It is super easy, very versatile. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys want to see any future stitches, any future particular stitches, please let me know, comment down below. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that other good stuff. And with that, thank you for watching and keep on stitching.